Sorry about the smoke. I got coolant coming out of here. And coolant came out of here. Can we zoom out? Is that better? No, that's a bit worse, isn't it? Coolant definitely came out of there. How have we got coolant in the power valve cover? I'm going to take that off in a minute. Coolant definitely came out of the cylinder. I believe coolant's in the cylinder. But when I actually pulled this off, there's pressure in it. But the bike hasn't been run since it died. Or like, hasn't even, look, there's pressure in it. I did just try and kick it over. It kicks over good. A little low compression though. So we definitely killed it. But I can't understand why there'd be pressure in here. It's a water pump in it. Shouldn't be pressure in there. Yes, I know I shouldn't be using the flathead screwdriver to push that off, but this part's kind of fucked. Might buy some new ones again. Oh, you bastard. So we had coolant for sure. For sure. I don't understand is why we got coolant in the power valve cover. Well, I know why. It's called head gasket, my boy. This one here pooed itself. Oh, and we've got to take the pipe off to get that bolt out, haven't we? You mother's dog, you. Well, we're empty coolant now. So it's like decent compression, but it's shit. Oh, my foot's getting wet. That don't sound good though. Where's my Allen key? There he is. Do you know what? I might just be able to get the tank off and leave that in situ, you know? I wonder how that goes. People need to understand these are MX bikes made and built to be taken apart quickly and repaired fast so they could go straight back out on the track. Ideally, I should move that rag to give myself a bit more space. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to. Oh, I'm trying to kick the bike over. The fucking T-lead's not even on. Which I do remember taking off now. Like a downy. But I have got a video on this phone of this bike running with the T-lead off and further away than it is right now. So the boot's fucked. We can work that out from the fact that the spark jumps from the rubber boot to the plug. Holy moly, I did that bolt up tight. Seen it. Where did I seen it? What was I talking about? Oh yeah, about the spark and that. Yeah, it should just jump across. It did before. I stayed with what I thought it was. I'm sure that I've lost hella tools, bro. I don't do it. I have no, you could see this. That gelato 41, fam. Covered in fire. Like to ring my man again, you get me? That's mad. See, right tools for the right job, boys. I don't even know if this can work though. Oh, I'm undoing the pipe. So we'll leave that loose for a second actually. I'm stupid as hell, fam. But yeah, again, right tools, right job. I did think I did that bolt up considerably tight for fucking tank bolt. Come on. But I probably will have to knock that exhaust off. So, why not really? Bruv, this is jarring my head off. I need to get a mount or something for this phone or something. Like a different camera or something. This is long, bruv. And this is the problem with working outside, bruv. Like, imagine I just took a bolt off. Well, where the fuck I put that already? That bolt from there. Maybe up here? Oh, yeah. I feel like I can. Oh, you still got to take the seat off though. That's dumb as hell. Why the fuck are you able to take the tank off individually from the seat, but you can't even get the fucking tank off? Dumb. That's dumb, innit? Imagine that actually I'm able to take the seat off, bro, but you can't even take. That's dumb. All of you that haven't actually seen the end product of how I wired this bike up in the end. I cut the airbox back slightly. Well, I haven't actually cut that, I just cut the actual top of it. There's no boot or nothing that goes over there, it's just literally how it is. Seat covers it, relays are all in there and shit, fuses right there. The original looms this side, as you can see, coil, CDI, kill switch plug. All the other loom runs this side. Boom. Horn on that, indicators up front and shit. I don't even think you can see them, or you can just about. Grab a 12mm and a little one, start pulling this shit apart. See, she had no reason to poo herself. Brand new cylinder, brand new 105 piston, everything. Had no reason to poo itself. But I did. So, we're gonna find out why.